What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here, coming at you with another video. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well and that you had an excellent weekend. In today's video, I'm going to crack open this awesome Hot Wheels premium diorama set. It's also known as the Pony War set. I don't know why the only pony I see is the Mustang, but anyways. So I'm going to make a brief pause. I'm going to crack this thing open and I'll be right back, guys. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna.
Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you very much for joining me in another video. I appreciate it very much. So let's get started with this 1970 Camaro. Comes in a nice yellow color. It's got a black interior. Driver and passenger windows are rolled down, so the interior details can be seen very easily. It's got a roll cage. Check out those sponsor decals on the sides. Check out the number 48 on the door. Check out the detail on the taillights. It's got some light tinted windows on the front and the back. I think that number 48 looks amazing. Check out the detail on the front, the grille, the headlights, the emblem, the racing stripes on the hood. Very cool. It's got some cool details on the door handles. This one would look very cool if it had like some kind of a plate number between the taillights, but overall it's not a bad casting. The only drawback on this casting, and for me personally, is the wheels. I don't think that gray looks very good with yellow, but you know, again, that's just my opinion. Not a bad casting, not bad at all. Let me know what you guys think. Let's move on to this one here. This one is right up my boy Mustang Hunter's alley. This is the 1965 Mustang 2+2 Fastback. This one comes in a nice blue color. It's got a dark gray interior. It's got some cool racing stripes all across the middle, the hood, the top, and the back. The driver and the passenger windows are rolled down, so the interior details can be seen very, very well. It's got some cool details on the back. I'm really digging that number 89 and the sponsor decals on the side. It's got some nice details on the front as well. The headlights, turn signals, the grille. It's got some more racing stripes here. Very, very cool. It's got the Mustang emblem right there between the taillights. And I don't mind the color on the rims on this particular casting. I think that blue and gray look very well together. Very, very cool. Let me know what you guys think. Now this one here is right up my alley. This is the 1970 Dodge Hemi Challenger. This one comes in a nice red color. It's got a black interior. It's got some light tinted windows on the front, the rear passenger windows, and the back. It's got some cool decals here. It's got Firestone. It's got the number 70. It says Challenger. And then it says Dodge right below it. I think the number 70 looks very cool on the doors and also on the hood. Check out the detail on the headlights and the grille. Very, very cool. Let's take a look at the back really quick. Check out those tail lights, and it looks like it has some kind of a plate number between the tail lights. So very, very cool. I don't mind the wheels on this car. It looks very, very cool. I think all three colors complement one another very well. Red, gray, and black. And then you have the white decals. Very, very cool. And then it looks like you have some gray accents around the grille, so that's pretty cool. And you have some more gray accents on the back. So very, very nice. Let me know what you guys think. And last but not least, you got this retro rig. Very cool. Comes in a nice gold color. Very, very nice. Check out all the accents it has. All the different stencils, the details on the back. Very cool. Check out those gray rims. Check out the chrome grille. Very, very cool. Check out the details up here. Very, very nice. Let me see. check this out. Nice. Very, very cool. Alright guys, let me know which of these 3 vehicles, or actually 4 vehicles, is your favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. You guys take care. Happy hunting. God bless. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later.